Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy Smart Scale P3. Here's everything that comes in the box. We get 4 AA batteries. We're simply going to flip it over on its back. And be careful, that is glass. Open this up, slide this way, and we're going to install the 4 AA batteries, or AAA batteries. Okay, once you get the batteries installed, we're going to be pressing this button. This is the unit button when we turn it over. Now, if you ever need to reset it, you can hold that. Even though it doesn't look like a button, it isn't actually. If you put your finger there, if you hold it for 10 seconds, it completely resets this. So let's turn it over and let's press the button. There, we're in pound, no, we were in pounds. Press it again. Now we're in pounds. Okay, let's measure it real quick and then we'll set it up. So almost 12 3/4. It's a 12 3/4 square and sits off the floor almost an inch. It does have some stability right here. This is stability, the pads are stability. So kind of like some extra stability on the sides. Okay, get the eufy Health app. You're gonna have to add a device. It's called the eufy Life app. Okay, so once you hit add device, you wanna step on it so that the display lights up real quick. Okay, so it says it's connecting. Okay, next you'll select your Wi-Fi, give it your Wi-Fi password, and it should start connecting. Okay, you do have to use it with your bare feet. So you want to press it. It should turn on. The center of the scale, it should turn on. And then when you stand on it, it's going to give you a reading. And then here's what the app looks like. Okay, so in the app, this is what it looks like. It does give you weight, BMI, body fat, and muscle mass. And so the scale goes into a sleep mode. So anytime you want to use it, even though the display is off, you're just going to stand on it and it's going to start weighing. Then if you keep standing on it, it's going to give you all kinds of readings. Then it even tells you to keep going. When you're done, the display will turn off. It says see you. So here's all the different readings it gives you now. Well, as long as you stay on there long enough. Now you can set this up for 2 people and it'll recognize whoever steps on it by their weight. As long as it's not like a 10 or 20 pound difference, then it'll ask you who, was this a guest or somebody else? But as long as it's pretty close to the weight you were before, I mean, even if you're losing weight like a pound or 2 each time, it's going to still recognize you. But if it sees a big difference, like 10 pounds from one reading to the next, it may ask you if it's a guest, or it may ask you in the app if you want to save that as your weight. So it's really quick and very accurate. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.